Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrestha and you are watching my YouTube channel Bangali Beauty. So let's get started with my eye look. As you can see that my brows are already done. So first I'm going to prep and prime my eyes with the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Concealer Corrector. It will act as a primer and also it will act as a base on my eyes for the eyeshadows to stick on, and I'm going to blend it thoroughly using a little bit of the product. Next I'm going to move towards a new eyeshadow palette. It is the 12 color daylight eyeshadow palette from LA Colors and it is in the shade Day to Night. I think it has at least 4 to 5 shades, like this is the day and night. There are other shades as well available in this palette, and this palette is just for rupees 495. And not only that, this palette is again available in great discounts all the time in all the sites. So first I used the white shade, the cream color shade, the lightest shade in the palette, that is the lightest matte shade in the palette, all over the eyes, and then I used the matte brown shade to darken my crease a little bit and also my outer corner. And now I move towards the black to darken the outer corners a little bit more and also to darken the eyeliner portion where I generally draw eyeliners, and then I'm going to blend those two together nicely so that there are no harsh lines and there are no creases. Then I'm going to move towards the middle shade in the palette. It is a little bit shimmery taupey brown shade and it doesn't add a lot of shimmer if used in lighter portion. Now I'm going to show you a few of the shimmer shades that is there in the palette. Like maximum of the shades are shimmery shades, so I'm going to test a few for you on the back of my hands to show you. So you see they are quite pigmented. They are not at all very opaque, but also they give a good pigmentation. It's a very good product for beginners to try because it will not be a lot pigmented, so beginners can actually work with it. I will be doing my full face of makeup off camera, of course, and then I'll be back for my under eyes. So for my lower lash line I'm going to use the same color shade, that is the brown shade, the matte brown shade available in the palette, and then the black shade, and blend it thoroughly on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the black shade a little bit on the outer side and not on the inner side like I always do, because that will give me a dimension. And then I'm going to blend both of them very nicely. Next I'm going to move towards Miss Claire's brown suede eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to tightline my waterline, the lower waterline especially. And then I'm going to move towards my eyeliner, and for that I'm using Faces Canada's magnetized eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. And then I'm going to draw a small wing. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are safe and staying at home and helping the poor, helping the needy as much as you can. And also don't forget the strays who are roaming around on the streets. Please help the dogs and the cats, please. Next I'm going to go towards my mascara, and for that I'm going to use Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Color Bar. This is my favorite mascara to use on the daily basis because it gives me length, volume, and also curls up my lashes very nicely. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want any of these products, they are linked in the description box below. If you want, you can check them out, and also my description box has my Instagram account details. So if you are not following me on Instagram till now, then I will highly request you to go and follow me there. So for my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm going to use this shimmery shade, this light champagne shimmery shade that is present in the palette, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners and my outer corners, and my eye look is done and complete. I hope you liked this quick eye look. I hope this was helpful to you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.